Hey, what's up, party people? In this episode of the On Green Show, I'm gonna... Skrull Thanos. Why Skrull Thanos, you ask? Because, well, I was looking at this Thanos toy and I noticed the balls on his chin and I thought of Skrulls. So I like to paint things green. I like green. The show's called On Green Show. Oh, right now I'm just covering the places I'm gonna paint with matte varnish. Now I'm starting with some yellow for the highlights or lowlights. I'm just putting them on first in the places that are gonna be yellower. Because in the reference photos I looked at, they had yellow and purple on the Skrull faces, so I'm onto the green. Just lightly covering them with some green, Christmas green. Merry Christmas. Second coat, make it a little darker. I'm still letting some of the purple show through and different levels of green by going lighter in some spots. I think I went gently over where it was yellow. So yeah, a little yellow comes through. Spun Gold. But the Spun Gold is kind of just matching the same color. It's a little better, but I'm gonna go over that again with some bright brass, which is my favorite gold color that I've been using. It's a brighter gold color, bright brass, but so I wasn't gonna paint the, I don't know, shirt color, but in the end I decided, yeah, I'm gonna. So I put some matte varnish on it. I'm painting the pants now. It's Azuri Gold Quantra Swansa Sinka. The words are gone. I don't know how to say it. But it's more like a brown, and yeah. Now I'm making a purple. It's a light purple to give some highlights to the purple leather shirt. And another coat of varnish. I'm gonna seal up all the paint so I can go over with a wash. going with a gloss varnish over the gold and the leather chest shirt thing. Yeah. Not the pants. I'm gonna leave those matte. They're already a little shiny from the color. I'm going with a gray wash over the green because I don't want to cover up all the purple highlights that I left underneath. Now I'm going with a black wash over the gold spots, but the problem was I didn't stir the wash, so I'm just mainly putting black water. It gave a little bit of a tinge, so I liked it. I didn't want to mess it up by trying again. Yeah. Thanks for watching. If women don't find you handsome, get a hobby. Always keep your head up. Peace.